Some morning. Today we find ourselves in the Lodge in Sandy. It's an RSPB wildlife site, and it's something a little bit new for me. I mean, the videos that you would have seen so far have been all based there, all been nature reserves, so this is going to be the first RSPB one. That they've all historically had bodies of water on massive lakes alongside rivers and everything, so this one is literally all woodland. So quite exciting to see what we're going to see today. But the sky's already really clear. I think I'm going to regret putting my coat on, but we can always take that off a bit later if it gets a bit warm. But yeah, quite excited to see what we see today. Right, let's make a move. There we go. We've got the two trails here. So we're going to go down this one. There's that monk jack. I think we should just sat down there. So this is, yeah, this is quite cool. Is that what I think it is over there? Let's have a look. Rabbit. Rabbit. So we just come to a little viewpoint, really. Really pretty. I'll spin the camera around in a second and show you see what it looks like. But I literally just saw an owl. Brief second, but a second ago at the tree just over there, caught stunning. I think it's a chaffinch. I'm not sure. I'll obviously go home, check the pictures, do my research. But yeah, stunning little bird. But yeah, it's, as you can see, blue skies, sun's out. I'm going to do this trail, I think, and I'm going to head back to the car and I'm going to take my coat off, otherwise I am probably just going to get soaked. And considering I'm planning to be out here most of the day, yeah. But yeah, cool. Let's show you this viewpoint. so far it's been a really nice walk, and we've just had a fantastic little interaction with a red kite as I was walking down the trail a little bit earlier, and we've seen this kite buzzing around all the way around. It's literally just come straight overhead. The light wasn't too bad, so we should have had some half decent photos there. But yeah, other than that, a little chaffinch, a rabbit, a monkjack at the beginning, great tit. It's been quite quiet, but got plenty of time left. No rush to get home today. I'm just enjoying it, and I think this is what it's all about, isn't it? It's just getting out. And do you know what? If you come away with some good videos or some good pictures, great. If you don't, it's not the end of the world. Still enjoyed the day. But yeah, but it is really nice. Right, let's carry on round and see what else we can find. Right, so as you can see, I've ditched the coat because the sun's out now, and whew, feeling it. And I've really got to go look at getting a lighter backpack because, geez. But yeah, so we've just gone round the Woodpecker Trail, and now we're going to go around. I forget what it's called. It's the Buzzard Trail and something else. But let's have a look and see what we see. So that trail's the smaller one. This one's quite a bit longer. This takes about an hour or so to get around, if not more. So, and then apparently we can swing all the way round and go around the gardens, which would be quite nice. Yeah, the Nuthatch Trail, but we're going to do that. We're going to do that last. So, I'm going to see, what is it called? Buzzard Trail, Galley Hill. Okay, so we're going to go around here and see what we can see around here. So, cool, I'll catch you in a bit. So we've just come up to another area, and we've just found this little bench here. And as we came up, I noticed a few birds, a few small birds just flitting around. And obviously, as I appeared, they all disappeared, which is quite common. You know, they're it's their instinct. You know, they're pretty much everything is a predator to them. You know, so just a little tip. If you're coming out specifically to find pictures of birds, take your time, and when you come to little areas like this and you see some activity, stop, because 9 times out of 10 these birds that fly away, they'll come back, and that's when you get the cool pictures. I just sat here for about 10-15 minutes, And I just had a little bird land on a little stump in front of me, get some nesting. I think it was a little wren, I'm not 100% sure. I'll do a bit of research when I get back, and we'll post a photo up in a second, but absolutely cracking shot. And it just goes to show, take your time. I think if you're coming out to do any kind of wildlife photography and you're literally just going on a walk, and if you see something you take a picture, if you don't you carry on walking, you're not going to get much. It's a waiting game, and it's definitely worth waiting. But cool, we're going to move on. See, while we're walking around, I just wanted to just take the opportunity to thank everyone so far that's subscribed and liked my videos. I mean, I thought I'd just do this as a hobby, just to share what I love doing. And it's been quite cool. And it's like, I don't do it for the subs or the likes. I mean, it's always cool if you get a bit of recognition and people like your stuff, you know, because it kind of like spurs you on to do more. But yeah, I'm going to carry on and do it either way. But no, I just wanted to say a thank you, because it means an awful lot. And hopefully you'll see these videos get better and better as time goes along. And you know, it'll be stuff that you guys want to see. Hopefully we'll, because I'm just starting out in my journey, an awful lot of stuff that I see, it's all firsts for me. So all of you guys will get to experience it with me, which is pretty cool. It's amazing around here. But yeah, cool. All right, guys, I'm going to carry on. But thanks so much. So we heard the 100% heard the green woodpecker, but as I'm chasing it, it's going the other way. So we're just moving down, just seeing what we can see what else we can find. Just grabbed a little picture of what I think was a chiff-chaff. I'll post that up in a second. But yeah, it's been quite quiet. Seen buzzards, red kites, a few little. I really wanted a woodpecker today. Day's not over yet. Still got a couple of hours left before I have to call it a day. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, it's been enjoyable so far anyway. Lovely day. Makes a change from all the rain. But yeah. Right, so we've just come to the end of a walk through the day. I'm just sitting up and just having a coffee because I haven't really stopped. It's been really nice. Not seen too much, to be fair, but it's been enjoyable. I think the one thing that I've noticed about this reserve is there's no hides. There's a few, you've got a few benches around. So, but yeah, I mean it's cool. I mean we heard the woodpecker, which is really cool. Well, we've got some nice photos. I think I'll definitely come back here and see if we can get some pictures of the woodpeckers. But yeah, been really enjoyable so far. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. And until next time, we'll see you soon.